Welcome to 10%, the sharpest slice of knowledge. Differentiation strategy. Be different, be profitable. Michael Porter's differentiation strategy explained. Ever feel like your business is just blending into the crowd? In a world full of choices, how do you stand out? Today, we're diving into a powerful idea from Michael Porter, differentiation strategy. Your secret weapon to shine in any market. What is differentiation strategy? Let's break it down. Differentiation strategy means making your product or service distinctively different from the competition. Not just better, but uniquely valuable. Think Apple, think Tesla, think Nike. They don't just sell products, they sell experiences, stories, style. When you stand out for the right reasons, like a specialized legal firm exclusively handling complex international intellectual property cases, you unlock significant advantages. These advantages are: you attract loyal customers. You can charge premium prices, and you're not stuck in a price war with competitors. So how do you actually create differentiation? Here are 4 powerful strategies. 1. Unique features or innovation. Offer something that your competitors don't, a new solution, a special design, or a creative twist that makes your product truly stand out. 2. Strong branding. People don't just buy products, they buy meaning, emotion, and purpose. If your brand tells a compelling story, it builds trust and loyalty. 3. Exceptional customer experience. Differentiation isn't only about the product. It's about how customers feel when they interact with your business. A smooth, respectful, and human-centered experience makes a lasting impression. 4. Design and style. How your product or service looks, feels, and flows can be a key difference. People remember what delights them, even if it's just the packaging or ease of us. Tips. Tip 1. Find your USP. Your unique selling proposition is the heart of your strategy. Ask, what do I offer that no one else does in the same way? Tip 2. Know your audience. Don't try to be different for everyone. Be meaningfully different for someone. Niche, focus, equal, stronger impact. So the next time you're planning your brand, don't ask, how can I compete? Ask, how can I stand out? Remember, in today's crowded market, being different is better than being better. Drop your thoughts below, and if this helped, give it a like or share. You don't need to know everything, just the right 10% that makes all the difference. If this video gave you that edge, imagine what the next one will. Thank you for watching.